Welcome back. Tejpal will finally get the unedited CCTV footage from the court. Crime Branch has submitted before the court a cloned copy of the entire CCTV footage in Tarun Tejpal's sexual assault case. The CCTV footage is obtained from the hotel where the alleged crime was committed. Following the Supreme Court's order, Tejpal has surrendered his passport before the trial court. Crime Branch on Friday submitted copy of all documents related to Tarun Tejpal's sexual assault case. The documents also include cloned copy of digital video recorder obtained from the hotel Grand Hyatt in Bamboli where the alleged crime was committed. This DVR contains unedited video footage from 7 November to 27 November 2013. Tarun Tejpal has been instructed to collect the footage from the court. Meanwhile, Tarun Tejpal surrendered his passport before the trial court as directed by the Supreme Court. Tejpal is facing the charge of sexually assaulting a woman colleague of Tehelka during Think Fest 2013 in Goa. The trial court has fixed 1st August as next date of hearing. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent. Medical and dental students of Goa University have demanded entrance examination for medical and dental postgraduate courses. They allege that there are faults in the present admission process of PG courses. They also said admissions on basis of aggregate marks is sometimes biased and held on favoritism.
Such a system is plagued with big-time bias and riddled with favoritism. The third point we also want to mention is that such a system is also devoid of standardization. That is, you're stuck with the same marks throughout your life, and the pattern of evaluation varies from person to person, from batch to batch, and from exam to exam respectively. Okay, so what we do, we strongly feel that such a system of evaluation should come to an end, okay? And a new system which is objective or computer based should be put into place, and the existing in place of the existing one.
Hence, the medical and dental students have demanded for a state-level medical and dental postgraduate entrance examination.
Students know the exact system of evaluation which is to be followed. Mind you, this entrance exam takes a syllabus of the entire MBBS syllabus of 4.5 years. So it is not easy to just start preparing for it overnight. So the students do require a certain amount of time for preparation, and we need to be mentally prepared also as to which kind of system we have to tackle. So hence we urge the government to stand by this decision and take it as quickly as possible.
Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Omkar Falari for Prudent. Brazil will face Netherlands in the third-place playoff match at the FIFA World Cup on Saturday night. The match provides the host a big opportunity to get rid of the horror memories of the semi-final beating from Germany. On the other hand, Netherlands coach Louis van Gaal is least interested in the playoff. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.